Developing pricing strategies and programs.
Developing effective pricing strategies and programs is crucial for any business seeking to maximize profitability and maintain a competitive edge. It's a complex process that requires careful consideration of various factors.
Key considerations.
Understanding costs. It's essential to have a clear understanding of all costs associated with producing and delivering a product or service. This includes fixed costs, variable costs, and overhead. Analyzing the market. Market research is vital for understanding customer demand, competitor pricing, and market trends. Knowing your customers, understanding customer perceptions of value is crucial. What are customers willing to pay? How sensitive are they to price changes? Competitive analysis. Monitoring competitor pricing strategies is essential for staying competitive. Setting pricing objectives. What are your pricing goals? Are you aiming for maximum profit, market share, or customer loyalty?
Common pricing strategies.
Cost plus pricing. Adding a markup to the cost of producing a product or service. Competitive pricing. Setting prices based on competitor pricing. Value-based pricing. Setting prices based on the perceived value of the product or service to the customer. Price skimming. Setting a high initial price for a new product or service and then gradually lowering it over time. Penetration pricing. Setting a low initial price to gain market share quickly. Dynamic pricing. Adjusting prices in real time based on supply and demand, competitor pricing, and other factors. Bundle pricing. Offering multiple products or services at a reduced price.
Developing pricing programs.
Discounts and promotions. Offering discounts and promotions can attract new customers and increase sales. Payment plans. Offering flexible payment plans can make products and services more accessible to customers. Loyalty programs. Rewarding loyal customers can encourage repeat business. Geographic pricing. Adjusting prices based on the location of the customer.
Key takeaways.
Pricing is a strategic decision that should be aligned with overall business goals. There is no one-size-fits-all pricing strategy. Regularly reviewing and adjusting pricing strategies is essential. By carefully considering these factors and implementing effective pricing strategies and programs, businesses can optimize their profitability and achieve their marketing objectives.